Hello, this video I will show you how to make this cute little cat. I already put 4 in this line, and this one will be the color, 4 color, and put right into the last bead. 3 beads in, or on the marker side you put 3 light color in, and right end or clear end you put in the last bead, in the clear side of the line. Now we put light color into the marker end, black, one black and one more light color. Oops. Light color. Marker end you will put 2 beads in, and clear end put in the last bead. By putting the clear end into the last bead and the marker end into into mouth and one light color. And last we will put two light color and put marker end into the last bead. To finish this head, you will put the clear end into 4 beads, 1 in black and 3 in clear, in light color. And instead of putting the clear end into the last bead, I just tie. This is another way to do, but I never like to do this because I think it's not like really tight, but you can do it. After that you can put, before you cut, you put back into the ear or anywhere that you can pass through and cut somewhere. And this is the finish of the cat head. This video show how to make the body of the kitty cat after we got the head. So right now put the head down. This time you will not put the marker end into the next bead, but you will put another 3 of the light dark color into the clear end, and make sure that both sides of the line is even or equal. So after marker color into the last bead. Now to end this round, into the marker end and clear end put in to that bead. After that, put 1 dark color into the clear end and left over right and right over left. Hold beads to the end and you get the tail like this one. Now you can Now this is the last two legs, which I already said that it's gonna be in these two bottom beads. And again I put 3 dark color, and right now because I have very short, so I will do the other way. Like I said, we can do both way. So don't forget, before you cut, you have to put these two lines right into the beads and cut somewhere else, maybe 2 or 3 times that you have to put in there. And this is the finish of the cat. If you make the 4mm and you want to put the strap on, one thing that we should do is to put the jump ring somewhere in her head, but I did around here on the back, at the back side. You can have here. In any question, you can email me, and please go visit my website or eBay store. Thank you very much.